as I was saying, I know you're used to being able to find a final answer, a final sum, x equals a number. That's not what we're doing now, and it can be confusing. Instead, we're just trying to put things in a more useful, easier, simpler form. For example, a times a is more simply written a squared. 2a times 3a is more simply written 6a squared, excuse me. This problem is more simply written as this. On your paper, see if you can write this in a simpler form. Cancel out as much as you can and see what you're left with. Welcome back. I hope you finished your problem. Here's what I see. I see that I can divide 3 out of both the top and the bottom. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. I have x times x and x times x times x. I can't cancel out 3 x's because I don't have 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. But I do have 2 in both the numerator and the denominator. I can cancel out x squared. And if I'm taking 2 x's out of this, I'm left with x to the first. I have a y that I can cancel out of both the numerator and the denominator. I have a z squared on the top, but not on the bottom, so that needs to stay. So my final answer would be 4 times x to the first, which I can just write as x. I don't need to write the 1 as the power. That's because x to the first is the same as x. The answer is equal. I need to write out all other powers, of course. I don't have a y, but I do have z squared. Divided by 1 times 1 times 1, that's 1. Divided by 1 would not be simplest form. The simplest form would just be to leave it as 4xz squared. Use the same format to find the simplest way to write your problems today.